Okay, so this one I'm just going to capture this wall of apartments. So we're just going to bring the camera along this way. This is an area called Taipa. And sometimes I call it the Taipa downtown. But if you just kind of look at all the apartments, it's kind of interesting because it's kind of... Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. It's kind of canyon-esque in some ways. We're just gonna go around in a whole circle. This is the playground right here, the space. You can hear kids playing probably. But yeah, this whole little canyon of apartments. It's interesting. I'm just gonna walk down it and just kind of see. Actually, you can capture some interesting corners like this too. Actually, I'll also give you the streets. So this is this one and this one. So I'm just going to follow this street down a little bit. Show you some of the uniqueness of it. All these trees went down in the typhoon about 2 years ago. So somebody told me that each tree cost 10,000 mop, which is I guess that'd be about $1,000, $200 a tree, something like that. So I think these are all new trees that they planted, and some of these maybe have been here. This one doesn't have any support, but this one right here does. So I think that they they bought these ones, and I think it's 1,000 mop a tree. I'm pretty sure. That's what one person said, anyways. I might be wrong. They might be wrong. But if you see that, then that's kind of a brand new one. See, this is kind of a cool looking place. Let's see what this one looks like. Black and white. So this is called black and white. And they have a pretty cool little space here. And actually, look at this. They have the hours in the same Macau style. Pretty cool venue. Cool space. Black and white is everywhere, and this is a food menu. Noodles, kind of beef with the they like the fatty parts of the meat as well. So intestines, I think. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking. We'll try to capture more. So here's an angle from this, and you can see, even more apartments in the back as well. So we're just gonna focus on this space, and this space. This is the black and white from the other side. It's progressive Japanese sumo. Alright. And let's see. There's a kimbap shop. Actually, the kimbap sounds pretty good. Let's go down there. Rua de Aveiro. They got some restaurants here. Moxie Gathering. Cafe Free. Gongcha. Gongcha has these kind of things. These things here. That menu there. Kind of want to go to this kimbap shop. Kimbap is a Korean one. Is this it? Yeah, there it is. It says kimbap right there. Kimbap. But it looks like it's closed. I was gonna get something there too. Quick takeaway. Thai. Okay. Could walk down that way, but I'm gonna walk back this way. I'll turn it off. No, I won't. Sometimes there's little details that you don't even notice. Macau bottles right here. Oranges. Little shop that was up front. So we're gonna walk back towards these buildings, these tall buildings, and we're gonna walk down a little bit further down this street. But we just had an excursion here. And my video camera's at 5 minutes. I'm gonna try to make sure that it's not too long. There's the black and white again. And actually, if you can see up here, there's like a fence right there. So that means that there must be something there. And the apartments are kind of cool too. They're circular. You can see those all the edges are circular. So every apartment building has like a circular feature. So we're just gonna walk down this one, and there's some construction at the end here. I'm gonna walk by that as well. All the scooter parking. Let's see. Establishment of food it's like comidas is food in Portuguese. Huh. Dentist I went to that dentist before. Oh, okay. I'm gonna stop in this area in a minute. Yeah. Okay. This is kind of a cool building. It's a blue building. So I'm gonna stop in a second, but I'm gonna start a new video. But this is about as long as I want to do on the video right here. So that's a good ending spot right there. The Street of Tall Buildings. So it's a good name. Chiquinha.